How to manage your business reputation without spending hours online. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. In a digital world, bad reviews or even total silence cost you new customers every single day. Nearly 90% of customers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. But manually checking every site takes hours of your time that you simply do not have. You need to use automation to get alerts for every new mention instantly. Use proven templates to respond fast and stay active with your clients. This keeps your feed fresh and positive without the constant manual work. Lead your market and protect your brand. Get a free quote from Link Local today. We help you stay on top of your reputation while you focus on running your business.